हे एवरीवन, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज के पीडीएफ के लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने अच्छे से लेक्चर कर रखा है तो आप डायरेक्टली जाके उन्हें सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट इज द ब्लैक सॉइल फाउंड? ऑप्शन ए जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, ऑप्शन बी राजस्थान, ऑप्शन सी गुजरात, ऑप्शन डी झारखंड। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है गुजरात। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट मेजर टू रिड्यूस सॉइल इरोजन? ऑप्शन ए क्रिएटिंग डीप चैनल्स ऑल्सो नोन एज गलीज, ऑप्शन बी कॉन्टर प्लोइंग, ऑप्शन सी स्ट्रिप क्रॉपिंग, ऑप्शन डी प्लांटिंग ऑफ शेल्टर बेल्ट्स। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है क्रिएटिंग डीप चैनल्स और गलीज। Question number 3. Under which of the following type of resource can tidal energy be put? Option A replenishable, option B abiotic, option C human made, option D non recyclable. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है replenishable. Option 4 comes here. The Rio Convention endorsed the global forest principles and adopted which of the following for achieving sustainable development in 21st century? Option A Agenda 21, option B Agenda 22, option C Agenda 20 and option D 25. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है Agenda 21. Which of the following book includes Gandhian philosophy on conservation of resources? Small is beautiful, option B Our Common Future, ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ द अबव। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है स्मॉल इज ब्यूटीफुल। क्वेश्चन 6. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स इज द टेरेस कल्टिवेशन प्रैक्टिस्ड? ऑप्शन ए पंजाब, ऑप्शन बी प्लेन्स ऑफ यूपी, ऑप्शन सी हरियाणा, ऑप्शन डी उत्तराखंड। क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है उत्तराखंड। Seventh question comes here. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized are called. Option A potential, option B stock, option C developed and option D reserve. Question का correct answer है potential resources. Eighth question comes here. The village of Sukhumajri and the district of Jhabua have shown that it is possible. Option A to reverse land degradation, option B to reverse economic prosperity, option C to reserve water, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है टू रिवर्स लैंड डिग्रेडेशन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सॉइल्स आर मोर कॉमन इन पिडमंट प्लेन्स सच एज द्वार्स, चोस एंड तेराई? ऑप्शन ए ब्लैक सॉइल, ऑप्शन बी एलुवियल सॉइल, ऑप्शन सी लेटराइट सॉइल। क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है एलुवियल सॉइल। Tenth question comes here. In which of the following state deforestation due to mining have caused severe land degradation? Option A झारखंड, ऑप्शन बी गुजरात और राजस्थान, ऑप्शन सी महाराष्ट्र एंड छत्तीसगढ़ एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑल ऑफ दीज। Question 11th comes here. Indiscriminate exploitation of resources has led to global ecological crisis. Which of the following is not associated to his statement? Option A global warming, option B ozone layer maintenance, option C environmental pollution, option D land degradation. Question का correct answer है ozone layer maintenance. Question 13 comes here. Which one of the following is an example of cultivable wasteland? Option A grass cropped area, option B uncultivable land, ऑप्शन सी barren wasteland एंड ऑप्शन डी current fallow land. क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है uncultivable land. Choose the feature which is not associated with arid soils. Option A, these soil develop a reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Option B, in some areas of the salt content is very high and common salt obtained from these soils. Option C, the lower horizon of the soil is occupied by conker nodules. And option D, these soils become cultivable आफ्टर प्रॉपर इरीगेशन। क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है दिस सॉइल्स डेवलप अ रेडिश कलर ड्यू टू डिफ्यूजन ऑफ आयरन इन क्रिस्टलाइन एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स। क्वेश्चन 14 कम्स हियर. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट एनकरेजेस यूजेस ऑफ डैश एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज. ऑप्शन ए रिन्यूएबल, ऑप्शन बी एग्जॉस्टिबल, ऑप्शन सी नॉन रिन्यूएबल एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दिस। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है रिन्यूएबल। 15th question comes here. The running water cuts through the clay soil and make deep channel. This is also called as option A soil erosion, option B gully erosion, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Correct answer है gully erosion. 16th question comes here. Soil is found in river deltas of east coast. Option A alluvial soil, option B arid soil, option C black cotton soil and option D laterite soil. Correct answer है alluvial soil. 17th question comes here. Identify the soils with the help of following features. First, red to brown in color. Second, sandy in texture and saline in nature. Third, lacks humus and moisture. Options are A. Arid soil, B. Alluvial soil, C. Laterite soil. And the correct answer is arid soil. Question 19th come here. In June 1992, more than 100 heads of states meet in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for option A, International Nature Summit, option B, World Economic Conference, option C, International Earth Summit, and option D, International Environmental Conclave. Correct answer is International Earth Summit. Question 20 comes here. Which soil was found in hilly and mountainous areas? Option A, forest soil. Option B, mountain soil. Option C, black soil. Option D, arid soil. The correct answer is forest soil. Question 22 comes here. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy 1952? Option A 33%, option B 22.5%, option C 31%, and option D 30%. Correct answer is 33%. Next question comes here. The area under the forest cover in India has shown a steady increase in the past year. Which of the following activities is responsible for this rise? Option A, mining of resources in areas outside residential areas. Option B, grazing cultivation. Option C, grazing by cattle and animals. And option D, afforestation. The correct answer is afforestation. Question 21 came here. Which of the following factors determine the use of land in India? Option A, physical factors such as topography. Option B, human factors such as population density. Option C, spiritual factors like Vastu. Option D, both A or B. The correct answer is both A or B. That is, physical factors such as topography and human factors such as population density. 23rd question comes here is, India's territorial water extends up to a distance of option A 12 km, option B 12 nautical miles, option C 19.2 miles, option D 200 nautical miles. Correct answer is 12 nautical miles. 24th question comes here. The main cause of land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh is option A mining, option B over irrigation, option C deforestation, and option D overgrazing. The correct answer is over irrigation. 25th question comes here. Red soil is mostly found in option A parts of Jammu and Kashmir, option B eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau, option C upper Ganga plains, and option D none of the above. The correct answer is eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. Question 26th comes here. Which of the following is not important for soil formation? Option A relief, option B parent rock, option C climate, and option D duration of the day. And the correct answer is duration of a day. 27th question comes here. Black soil is also called as option A Bangar, option B Khadar, option C Regar, and option D none of the above. Correct answer is Regar soils. 28th question comes here is, laterite soil is very useful for growing option A rice, wheat and mustard, option B tea, coffee and cashew nut, option C pulses, sugarcane and resins, and option D none of the above. Correct option is tea, coffee and cashew nut. 29th question comes here is, black soil is deficient in option A calcium carbonate, option B magnesium, option C potash, and option D phosphoric contents. क्वेश्चन का आंसर है phosphoric contents. 30th question comes here is, land that is left uncultivated for more than 5 agricultural years is called option A pasture land, option B cultivable wasteland, option C barren land, and option D current fallow land. क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है cultivable wasteland. 31st question comes here is, which of the following method does not help in soil conservation? Option A soil conservation, option B strip cropping, option C creating shelter belts, and option D plowing up and down the slopes. Correct answer is plowing up and down the slopes. 32 question comes here is, which one of the following type of resource is an iron ore? Option A renewable, option B biotic, option C flow, and option D non-renewable. Correct answer is non-renewable. 33rd question comes here is, which of the following resources is non-recyclable? Option A coal, option B iron ore, option C copper, and option D gold. Correct answer is coal. 34th question comes is, in which of the following states is terrace cultivation practiced? Option A Punjab, option B plains of UP, option C Haryana, option D Uttarakhand. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. 35th question comes here is, burial ground is a dash. Option A community owned resource, option B national resource, option C individual resource, and option D international resource. Correct answer is community owned resource. 36th question comes here is, देयर इज इनफ फॉर एवरीबडीज नीड एंड नॉट फॉर एनीबडीज ग्रीड। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज़ गिवन द अबव स्टेटमेंट? ऑप्शन ए विनोबा भवे, ऑप्शन बी महात्मा गांधी, ऑप्शन सी जवाहरलाल नेहरू, ऑप्शन डी अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी। करेक्ट आंसर इज महात्मा गांधी। 37th question comes here is, which cold desert is relatively isolated from the rest of country? Option A Leh, option B Kargil, option C Ladakh, option D Dras. Correct answer is Ladakh. 38th question comes here is, what is arrangement of soil in different layers or horizons known as? Option A soil composition, option B soil erosions, option C soil profile, option D soil texture. Correct answer is soil profile. 39th question comes here is, what is the main reason behind global ecological crisis such as global warming and environmental pollution? Option A depletion of resources, option B accumulation of resources in a few hands, option C indiscriminate exploitation of resources, option D use of resources. And the correct answer is indiscriminate exploitation of resources. 40th question comes here is, what is necessary for sustained quality of life and global peace? Option A stopping use of resources, option B saving resources for future, option C exploitation of resources, option D equitable distribution of resources. Correct answer is equitable distribution of resources. So guys, यही थे हमारे टॉप 40 क्वेश्चंस जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। नीचे पीडीएफ की जो लिंक है उससे तुम और अच्छे से कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। और चैनल पर ना तो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, क्योंकि जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके एमसीक्यूज कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे। ठीक, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, गुड बाय।